Welcome and thank you for watching my videos. Today is Sunday, January 24th, and it's the day after the big blizzard that hit the Northeast, hammered New Jersey, causing massive flooding, hammered Long Island. In this area we haven't seen flooding, but what you can see is that the tide is quite high. Why? Well, because we had a storm that brought a little tidal surge. We had a full moon and high tide at the same time. So all these things combined makes for kind of a dangerous trio and dangerous conditions. But as you can see here, we had nothing in terms of flooding or water coming over here, okay? But over in New Jersey, unfortunately, they got a lot of damage sustained, a lot of damage there with flooding in low-lying areas. And not to say that in Long Island, in certain parts, there's probably some flooding as well. In this area, we're quite high. But what we'll do is we'll zoom in and we'll show you how far we are from the dock there. You can see. On the side, we're fairly high. You can see the snow. We accumulated about 2 feet or so. A lot of drifting in areas as well. You can see across there against that house, a lot of drifting as well. All I'll do is we'll go to the other side now. You can see here, tide's quite high. Not over. And interestingly, last week the tide was quite low, where part of the bottom of the canal was actually showing, which made for interesting new things like the swans hanging out on the bottom. You can see here there's a lot of wind pushing up the snow, and again you can see the tide. It's quite high, but it is not over. That's not to say it won't go over, but less likely. Pretty high area over here. So that's the extent of what we see here in Long Island, Suffolk County. Thanks for watching.